So we're live at the Castara waterfalls and I'm on tour. Brought my clients to our first waterfall of the day. We're gonna head over to Palatavere waterfall next. So they booked the north side trip, fun and adventure, which includes the Castara waterfall, the Palatavere waterfall, visits the Palatavere beach, Englishman's Bay, Castara Beach, Fort King George, Isle of Tobago sign, and Mount Dillon Park, all in the north side view, or what we call like a half day tour. So to book with us and get this amazing experience, inbox us or call us on